Content creation is changing faster than ever, and AI is at the heart of this transformation. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or social media creator, AI can save you time, boost creativity, and even help you make more money. But how exactly can AI take your content to the next level? In this video, we're breaking down the best AI tools and strategies that every content creator should be using right now. First, AI for writing and scripting. Writing scripts, blog posts, and social media captions can take hours, but AI can cut that time in half. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality content in seconds. Just give them a prompt, and they'll create SEO-optimized blog posts, engaging YouTube scripts, or catchy Twitter threads. But the secret to using AI for writing isn't just copying and pasting. You need to edit, refine, and add your unique voice to make the content truly yours. Think of AI as your writing assistant, not a replacement for creativity. Next, AI for video editing. If you're a YouTuber or video creator, AI-powered editing tools can speed up your workflow dramatically. Tools like Runway ML, Descript, and Pictory can automatically edit your videos, remove background noise, and even generate subtitles instantly. Want to create a faceless YouTube channel? AI-generated avatars and voiceovers from tools like Synthesia, 11 Labs, and HeyGen let you create professional videos without even showing your face. This is a game changer for people who want to grow a YouTube channel without being on camera. AI for graphic design and thumbnails. A good thumbnail can make or break a video, and AI can help you design scroll-stopping images in minutes. Tools like Canva's AI, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney generate eye-catching designs, while Remove.bg can instantly remove backgrounds for cleaner images. Even better? AI can analyze which thumbnails perform best and suggest which colors, fonts, or layouts will get you the most clicks. AI for social media growth. Posting consistently on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok is time-consuming, but AI can automate content creation and scheduling. Tools like Predis.ai, Lately.ai, and Hootsuite's AI assistant can generate engaging posts, repurpose long-form content, and even predict the best times to post for maximum reach. And if you struggle with engagement, AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat and ChatGPT assistants can help you reply to comments, send DMs, and interact with your audience automatically. AI for podcasting and voiceovers. Podcasters and audiobook creators can now use AI to edit and enhance their audio faster than ever. Tools like Descript allow you to edit audio just like a text document, removing filler words and background noise automatically. Want to create a podcast but don't like your voice? AI voice generators like 11 Labs and Murph.ai can create realistic voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. AI for monetization and passive income. AI doesn't just help with content creation. It can help you make money from your content too. AI can automate email marketing, create online courses, and even help sell digital products. For example, if you run a blog, AI can help you find affiliate products, optimize your SEO, and even suggest high-ranking keywords to bring in more traffic. If you're a video creator, AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can analyze your content and recommend strategies to grow your audience faster. The future of AI for content creators. AI is not here to replace creators, it's here to make the process easier. The real power comes from combining AI with human creativity. The best content creators aren't just using AI to generate content. They're using it to amplify their creativity, speed up their workflow, and create even better content. So if you're serious about growing as a content creator, start using AI today. Experiment with these tools, find what works best for you, and use AI to take your content and income to the next level.